Hi, welcome to DK. My name is Lesley. I'm the director of DK SCHWEIZER. I'm here to show you who we are and what we do as a global car seat cover manufacturer. Let's go! We've been in the car seat upholstery business for almost 3 decades, providing high quality leather seat covers to top car manufacturers such as Honda, Volvo, Mitsubishi, Toyota, BMW, Mercedes, you name it, we have it. Our goal is to make high quality seat covers accessible and affordable to everyone globally. We only source the highest quality automotive leather hides for our customers and ensure that their car seat covers will last for years to come. As we can see, we bring in more than 20,000 automotive leather hides per month, which allows us to supply more than 15,000 cars per month. Alright, what we have here is our in-house QA lab where we specifically test each and every material that comes in. Here at DK, we take an extra mile to ensure each material meets its quality standard before it goes into raw material storage. Each material that comes into the QA lab needs to pass several test subjects. For example, what we have here is an aberration test where it tests whether the grains of the leather fades after a certain amount of years. And what we have here is the flexing test where it checks the durability of the material. The machine goes back and forth 25,000 cycles and checks whether after several years crack marks appears. Next, we have the color migration test. The machine rubs a piece of cloth on the material back and forth to check whether the color of the leather or other materials will migrate onto the cloth. Imagine if you are wearing something expensive getting into your car, the last thing you want is that the color of the leather will transfer onto your clothes. Last but not least, what we have here is the stretching test. What this machine does is that it measures the elasticity of the material. It needs to be stretchable enough for us to install onto the car seat and at the same time have a good fitment. Here we are at our raw material store. After all the materials are being tested and approved by our QA, it gets stored here with many boxes of leather, as we can see. Alright, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for next episode where we showcase our production and our state-of-the-art machineries. Make sure to subscribe, and if you like our videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up.